What's up, my people? It's your boy Ola Tony here, and I'm back again with another banger video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a smart money strategy that has a 90% gain rate. 90%, guys. And this strategy, you can use it to pass a top firm, grow that small account, grow that big account, or become consistent in the forex market. If you want to find out how, stay tuned. Guys, I'm on the AU USD on the 15-minute time frame. This strategy works on any time frame from 5, 15, an hour, 30 minutes. Even you can use it for the daily, but it takes time, you understand. This strategy works on all time frames. This strategy is using market structure and taking our entries with indicator, which indicator we're going to use is a stochastic oscillator, and you guys will know why we are using that. You get? So let's dive in. But before we dive in, let me just do a quick introduction. Oh, this is the secret about trading. Have you ever thought to yourself and asked why indicator was created? Indicators were created to make our trading easier. They were not created for us to just use it as a point of entry only. That's why people say indicators are not good. Indicators are bad when you only trade them without identifying market structure. But when you use indicator with market structure, you have created a monster. You have created a monster that even the industry are scared of. And I'm going to reveal that to you guys in this video. Let's dive in. Guys, this is how this strategy works. What we need to do now is that we just need to know where the trend is heading to. And the way we will know where the trend is heading to is with market structure. Let me explain. Now, we just need to see a break of structure to the downside. If we want to confirm maybe the market is in a downtrend, we need to see a break to the downside twice consecutively. For example, this is a good example. 1, this is 1, then this is 2 break of structure. Let me write the text. It's a break of structure. Can I call it boss or BOS or anyone? It's a break of structure. Now we can see, we all know as traders that the market don't move in one direction. We know since in a downtrend, we know the market will after taking this low, it will come back and retrace back, then take the low. All we need to do is that we need the market to take this low. Then after taking it, we'll wait for the market to retrace. Then after retrace, we now want to ride the third leg that will take this liquidity out. We want to ride the leg that will take out this liquidity. That's what we just want to do basically. How do we do that? We are going to confirm our entry with the stochastic oscillator. That's where the oscillator comes in, as I explained earlier. When you apply indicators with market structure, you've created a monster, a bomb, which the market have no choice than to obey you. The market has no choice than to just pay you, than to just give you free money. The market will be calling you, take this money, take this money. Let me show you guys how this is beautiful. After we've confirmed that we're in a downtrend, then now, and after this, the third leg has retraced back. Then we'll now go to our stochastic oscillator. Now the stochastic oscillator, I just used the default stochastic oscillator. I just went to trading views and search stochastic oscillator. Then I selected this one, this stochastic RSI. That's why I selected. Everyone can do that, or if you can't, if maybe you are using your phone or something, just choose the stochastic oscillator. I'm using the settings are default 14. Let me just show you guys real quick. On the K is 3D 3 and the RSI length 14, stochastic length 14. That's it, guys. Let's go back to the video. Now this is how to enter your trade. We wait for the stochastic oscillator to cross themselves downward, because now we know it's a downtrend. So we just wait for the stochastic oscillator to cross itself. That's the blue and the red to cross itself downward. That's what we just want to see. This is where the crossing happened. We need to wait for this candle to close first. Then we enter on the next candle. After the candle close, what do we have? We enter for a short. And when you enter your short, you go for a 1 to 2 weeks reward. Then we put our stop loss here. Guys, I can tell you that you can go and backtest this thing. This strategy works like magic. Just go for 1 to 2. We don't want to be greedy. We want to have high win rate, because on this channel what I just teach you guys is that I don't just teach you normal strategy. Any strategy you see on my channel is very, very special and unique, because I take my time, study, and find the best possible risk to reward and the best possible win ratio. I find the best possible win ratio, because now it's just about winning. We are here just to conquer the market. We are warriors fighting to make money from the market. Everything I give you guys, go out and try it. Go out and try it. It's a bomb. Let's see, we have a 1 to 2 risk reward. It came very easy. Very, very easy. I want you to go and backtest this. Whenever all our setup has been met, is very, very hard for the market to reverse back. Very, very rare. Before the market could reverse, maybe you will have got at least 4 straight win, 4 to 3 straight win back to back without any losses. Maybe you didn't follow the guidelines very well. This is very simple. What you just need to do when you're at your charts, if it's in a downtrend, so we know if it's in a downtrend. If it's in a downtrend, we know it's taking the lows. It shows it's in a downtrend. If it's in an uptrend, we know it's taking the highs. Just need a break of structure. If it's on a downtrend like what we see now, just need a break of structure to the upside twice. Then we enter on the third one. Simple, period. Guys, this is magic. Let's look for more example. So I think we have another example here. We can see the structure was broken here, and like this one was broken. One. We have 2. Then what do? Enter on the third one. How do you enter? Simple. Move to your stochastic oscillator. Guys, see, that's why I told you indicators can only work if you use them with market structure. You can't say you want to just use indicator without understanding market structure. You won't work, because the indicators won't say according to what you want. We are just using the indicators to help us, to make us become more profitable. That's what we are just using it for. You can see, according to the normal rule about stochastic oscillator, the rule is when it's above 80 it's overbought, when it's below. But hey, the market doesn't know that. What if you are on a strong uptrend, you will be waiting for overbought, you will never get overbought. But now when you understand market structure, you apply it. Let me show you what I'm saying. So we can see here, now we can see, if we didn't have the stochastic oscillator, let me show you guys what I'm telling you. Why indicators are very important. Now, a lot of traders will have gotten in here because we have thought that because this pullback looked like the original one, you get, they will have gotten in somewhere around here, but that was not the real pullback, because the stochastic oscillator told us that the market have reversed completely. It's still telling us that there's still indication the market might push to the upside. That's what I'm saying. It's still indication the market might push to the upside. Because now let me tell you guys this secret. If you notice, go and back this. Anytime the stochastic oscillator crosses it and we're in a strong downtrend, it's like in a rare moment you can see the market to even get past that candle. The trend is dropping down straight, is dropping down flat. No candle will even try to maybe go up or something. It's going down straight. You understand? So you guys will see all these things. Go and backtest, and I'll show you guys a lot of examples. Let's see. So here, let's see what we have here. The stochastic haven't told us to enter for a short. We wait for the crossing, and the crossing, if it's in a downtrend, the red stochastic must be above and the blue must be below. That is for a downtrend. Uptrend, the blue must be above and the red downward, vice versa. It's saying the red must be above. I think the crossing happened here. Then we enter for our short here. You can see what I'm saying. The market must fall flat. We enter our short where our short here. Yes, we enter our short here after that candle close. Then put our stop here just to be safe. Then go for our 1 to 2 profit, or The thing is that now, let me tell you guys a secret. Why I gave you guys a 1 to 2 weeks reward is that I want us to have high win rate, because you might even decide that, okay, I'm not entering on this candle, I want to still wait and see maybe it's still in a downtrend. You can still wait, then you can still enter here if you wanted to wait. Then your stop loss will be shifted to this area. See, we still have our 1 to 2. That's why sometimes we may see trade might give us 1/4, 1/5, 1/6. I give this risk reward so that we can have high win rate, because that helps you a lot with your psychology, and your trading account gives you more confidence and strengthens you. Okay, let's take another example. So let's take another example here. You can see structure was broken here, 1. Structure was broken here, 2. Automatically know that the third one will give us a strong bullish trend. What we need to do is that we just need to wait for the market to retrace back, then go to our stochastic oscillator, then execute our trade. Simple. Now we move to the stochastic. What can we see? What can we see? We need to wait for the crossing to the upside. So here the crossing happen. We'll wait for this candle to close, then we enter here. What do we have? Long. We'll enter here, put our stop loss. The thing is that we always win on a 1 to 2 risk reward. Our winning rate is very high. So to avoid being stopped out or having to re-enter again, just put your stop loss above the last high. You understand? The last low, because this is an uptrend. So the last low, you get what I'm saying? You go for a 1 to 2, we will always win. If the trade will come, we will always win and profit. Then that's just it, guys. That's it for today. So I want you guys to go and check out the strategy, put it to practice. You guys need to pass your prop firm, grow your trading account. You can just use this to conquer the market. This is very, very powerful. See you guys here.